Hello guys. Now our task is to find the slope or gradient of the line passing through the points C and D. We are given the coordinates of the point C as 10, 1, and the coordinates of the point D are 6 and 9. Now, we know that to find the gradient or slope of a line, a straight line, we use the formula m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So let's take point C to be our first point. So we can label the coordinates at point C as x1, y1. And at D, we have x2, y2. So plugging in into the formula, we have the gradient or slope of the line CD is equal to 9 minus 1 over 6 minus 10. That is 8 over negative 4. 6 minus 10 is negative 4. So that means the gradient of the line CD is 8 divided by negative 4. That is negative 2.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and hit the notification button for more videos.